Kelly D, and I believe that special occasions should be marked with special things like a song, a photograph, a place, and definitely a drink. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite mocktail that you can use for special occasions like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or just because. A mocktail is a colorful, lively cocktail without the alcohol, and some adults may choose not to use alcohol for religious reasons, some for health reasons, and others for social reasons because they can't handle it. But if you happen to fall in one of those categories, or you just want to get a healthy, lively mocktail for your special occasion, then this is a drink for you. So now let's go over the ingredients. Now we're using lots of local products today. So we have Plus, this is one of my favorite drinks. Angostura Bitters, we're going to use 2 dashes of this. Cola Tonic, which will be the base of our drink, so about ½ cup of Cola Tonic. Some sorrel puree, just puree or sorrel leaves once they're hydrated. ½ ounce of simple syrup. And juice from 1/4 of a lime. Now it's time to build our drink. So we're going to use the Cola Tonic. This drink is always served on the rocks, so make sure you have lots and lots of ice. It's such a gorgeous color. Then we're going to add our sorrel. Just that beautiful color just on top of it. Almost looks like sunset. We're going to add our simple syrup. We're going to add 2 dashes of Angostura. Now this is a must. You must have Angostura. It always makes a beautiful cocktail. Squeeze of lime. And to top it off, our local drink, the Plus. Just look at that bubble. Our Valentine mocktail is done. Just look at the beautiful blend of colors. Just a gentle stir. Now it's time to taste. So good, so delicious, and well balanced. I'm definitely tasting that Angostura Bitters that just gives it a pop at the top. If you have a special occasion that you need to celebrate, I recommend you try this drink. Valentine's special? Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this drink recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other drink recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.